Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I've used the attribute eyedropper for a long time, but I was just playing around with it today, and I had no clue it could do this. This is Arial text. This is Roger's text. This is freshman text. Not only am I going to change the text to Arial, I didn't know it could do that. I thought it would just put in the interactive field. So I'm going to get the attribute eyedropper and take a sample of that and pour it into there. It changed it to Arial to that size. So this is 364 points, 364 points, 364 points. That's pretty incredible. I can see not so much for me as an engraver, but I can see somebody that being very helpful to them. It's funny, it won't center the text because we've kind of altered it. Anyway, that's pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.